Hello friends, today I'm going to show how to make lime rice. It is a very easy process and it just needs 10 minutes, and this can be stored for more than 25-30 days in the refrigerator. So let's see how it is done. This lemon is 4.5% acidic content compared to the lime, and the lime is 6%. What it means is this lemon is more to a sweeter side, so these lemons are used to do more like desserts and juices and pulps and purees, and the limes are more to a savory side. It's used for spices and all in culinary. So today we are going to use lime because this lime is more acidic, and we are going to save it for, like I said, a month. So let's see how to do it. And for this, the ingredients which we need are oil, which I'm going to use 3 ounces of it, and then mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 3/4 teaspoon, urad dal which is 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 1 big sprig, green chili 8 which is mildly spicy, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the peanuts 50 grams, and this is cilantro which I am going to be using 2 times, 1 tablespoon. I have taken lime, 2 limes here. So let's see how it is done. Take a thick bottom pan. I have turned on the flame already. So I'm going to pour oil. I will just wait it to get little warm, not really burning hot. So let's start adding ingredients. Mustard seeds. The mustard seeds are slightly spluttering. Cumin seeds. I don't want the mustard seeds to be spluttering everywhere, so I added the cumin. As the cumin is getting warmed up, I'm adding the urad dal. I'll just give a minute now. As you can see, it's sizzling and my urad dal is turning orange in color. So now I'm going to add curry leaves, green chili, I'm gonna add peanuts. You're gonna roast it for 2 to 3 minutes till the peanuts will start cracking and becomes crunchy. I'm going to add turmeric, saute for a minute. Now I'm going to add salt. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and add half of cilantro. Now is the time for lime juice. So now when it is warm, I'm going to add little more of the cilantro and mix it. Now the lime mix is ready. Now I'm going to add the cooked rice to this mix. Now this lime rice mix has been sitting for 10 minutes. I'm going to transfer a little bit and keep it aside because I don't want to mix all of it. So this can be preserved, stored for 1 month. Now I'm going to add rice little by little. The lime rice is ready to be served. Please subscribe to Charya's Kitchen, and thanks for watching.